One voice can spark change. Many voices together can transform nations. Across Africa, storytellers, designers, musicians, and creators of all kinds are shaping culture, but too often their voices go unheard.
Why do we chase dreams if it's all vanity? There must be a reason for this humanity. If we are meant to leave Earth, why are we here? This life we live in, why is it no fair? If we are planning, why can't we share? Some sit on the throne, some don't have chair.
From Nigeria to South Africa, from Ghana to Kenya, creators face barriers, limited access to fair pay, digital distribution, and global visibility. Their voices, rich with heritage, creativity, and innovation, deserve to be heard and celebrated worldwide.
Celebrate her, celebrate her.
There is not really any need to celebrate because I am not here for polite words, I'm here for awards.
And when it came, look at how everybody was reacting. So we need more of that. And then there are
FAVunite is launching the African Storytelling Initiative, a movement to amplify African creativity, empower local voices, and connect them to the global stage. Through short films, workshops, and digital partnerships, we are building a platform where African creators thrive. Together, we can ensure that African voices are not just heard, they are celebrated. Join FAVunite and our partners across the continent as a founding amplifier, one of the first 100 donors recognized on our website and social platforms. Your support is not just funding a project, it's fueling creativity on the continent of Africa. One voice, many nations, infinite creativity.
With Impact Factory, KTE, and FAVunite TV. You got talent, sign up now. The time is now.
With your help, FAVunite will amplify African storytellers and bring their brilliance to the world. Donate today and be a part of this transformation.